Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify image loading optimization with Kingfisher on iOS step by step clearly. Start by opening your Xcode project where you want to implement Kingfisher. Ensure you have Kingfisher installed in your project. If you haven't done this yet, you can add Kingfisher using CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager. Next, import Kingfisher in the file where you plan to handle the image loading. Locate the UI image view in your storyboard or create it programmatically. Ensure that your UI image view is properly set up with constraints. Now, get the URL of the image you want to load. You can store this URL in a constant for easy access. Use the Kingfisher method to load the image from the URL into the UI image view. Call the kf.setImage method on your UI image view instance. Pass the image URL as an argument to the setImage method. Optionally, you can configure a placeholder image to display while the actual image loads. Use the placeholder parameter in the setImage method. To verify image loading optimization, enable logging for Kingfisher. You can do this by setting Kingfisher manager.shared.logger.level to .debug. Run your application and observe the console logs. These logs will help you check how images are being cached and loaded. To monitor the optimization further, you can implement image caching strategies. Kingfisher provides options to configure memory and disk caching. Review these settings to ensure images are optimized for loading. Finally, test the performance by measuring image load times without and with caching. This comparison will give you insights into the effectiveness of your optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.